I spent 30 days learning AI, and most of what beginners focus on is completely wrong. If you're overwhelmed by AI tools right now, this will save you months. In the last 30 days, I tried learning AI the way most beginners do. Tools, prompts, tutorials, everything. And I realized something important. AI isn't hard. Learning it the wrong way is. Let me explain. Part 1. The biggest mistake. Most beginners start by collecting tools. ChatGPT, Midjourney editing, AI, writing AI, freelancing AI. I did the same, but here's the problem. Tools change every month, so if your learning strategy is save more tools, you'll always feel behind. I realized tools are not the skill. Part 2. What actually matters after 30 days? I learned that only 3 things matter. Thing number 1. Asking better questions. AI doesn't reward smart people. It rewards clear thinking. When I stopped copying prompts and started explaining my problem properly, the results changed instantly. Thing number 2. One use case, not 10 tools instead of learning 10 AI tools. I picked one problem. Examples: pick one visually, editing faster, writing scripts, designing thumbnails. 2. That's when AI actually became useful. Thing number 3. Speed greater than perfection. AI works best when you move fast. The moment I stopped trying to make things perfect, I started finishing projects. Finished beats perfect. Every time. Part 3. What I'd ignore if I started again. If I started learning AI again from zero, I'd ignore endless tool lists, viral secret prompts, complicated workflows. Most of that content exists to get views, not to help beginners. AI is simple when you stop overthinking it. The biggest change wasn't my tools, it was my mindset. Once I treated AI like a teammate, not magic, everything clicked. If you're learning AI as a beginner, this channel is about what actually works, not hype. Subscribe if you want tested AI tools, honest experiments, and no wasted time. Next, I'm testing AI in a way most people are scared to try.